We're gonna show them.
Wait! Rocks!
À côté des fils.
Oh, no.
Pause. Hey, cuties!
It's Roxy here with
Lori!
So today Lori's on camera and we have a special guest with us today.
Oh!
I'm Mabel!
Okay, so Maple is here with us. She has an unboxing of herself, so we thought that she could come on camera today and unbox it for you guys.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's from AliExpress, and I got some Labubu.
Labubu dolls! We did a video in the past about Labubu dolls from Temu.
I
And
kept one. I
so,
really like it.
yeah,
I have it on my backpack.
Exactly. So now we're gonna do in the frame.
I'm getting in the frame.
Don't worry.
Okay.
It's hard to throw yourself in the frame and then sit down instantaneously, okay?
Okay.
So
My
let's
colorful-
open this
my
and see
colorful
what's
self.
inside.
My colorful self.
Close your eyes and pick a thing.
Pick something.
What is that?
It's a case. It's a body case. I could tell. I could see the ears. Yep. It's a body case.
Oh,
It
this
was
is so cute.
$4.69 on
This is not going to fit
AliExpress.
on my Labubu doll because my Labubu doll sits down.
I think you can move them though. Is it the
No.
one for
No.
It's the white one. The white one was not a blue one. As I saw in the video.
Do you want me to show the camera?
I have my own channel actually.
We are going to shout out Maple's channel. Down
The Angel
below.
Dragon.
I'm gonna show
And
you
yes,
the
I
camera
did throw
because
that
the
all the way
closest,
over
y'all.
there.
It's a little case.
It's cute. It's got a
Sweet.
chain in the feet.
It has
Yeah.
a chain.
Be careful. It does come from AliExpress.
Yeah, guys. AliExpress and Temu
Is
not
this
the best quality.
this is not a case. This is
It is. It is.
What is this? What is this hole?
I think it's for the chains.
There's a hole. No, there's not. This is the chain hole. There's
I
this
guess you
thing.
could put pennies, okay?
Poor Lori, she's squished between us.
Especially I'm the skinniest one here.
No, you're not.
Don't worry. Okay, let's choose something else because it's long for the people.
Yeah.
To look at
I
chain.
want Lori, pick one.
Okay.
I'm gonna just use my mouth.
A
It's a doll.
squish box.
Okay, guys. So if you know, when you order from like AliExpress and Temu, everything comes squished. All the box, but Lori was gonna open it.
It's okay. She can
All the
open
boxes
it.
always come like squished. Like every time we order something, they always come like demolished.
Well, this one.
This one is especially demolished.
Okay, so let's see what color
Ah.
Labubu doll we're gonna get today.
We can get white, pink, green, grape. Okay, wait. I'm actually gonna say.
So we're just gonna show
say
them.
the colors.
We're gonna show them.
Wait, show them. Rocks.
À côté des fils.
Oh no.
Pause.
How?
Oh no.
Filming.
We're back.
We're back.
Apparently, there's a secret one. It's very destroyed.
Okay.
So
Oh, it's $6.59 on AliExpress.
nice.
AliExpress has really good prices. It's a bit like Temu.
I think you could get more.
The bag. Your turn. And then she will show us.
Okay, so
The bag. It looks really similar to the Temu one.
It's the exact same thing. As I remember, it's the exact same thing.
oh, there's a Pop Mart little thingy.
There's a Pop Mart.
Oh, that's a fake one. It's the same
Yeah,
thing as
it's
last
the
time.
brown
If you guys remember our other
It's
video,
uglier though.
I know his head is not crooked. At least I mean he has really small arms.
He has a bigger
But,
head.
like,
He has a bigger head.
I think he's cuter than the other one though,
He is.
Yeah.
because the other one had a really crooked head.
And he
Do
had
you
a
want to try and
tiny
put it in the
head.
case? Wait.
It's
Yeah,
not.
'cause
they have a plastic case.
Okay.
This one's standing at least.
Yeah,
Wait.
I think
you
it's
just.
cute.
I put the chain in.
Way cuter.
Put them in. Just plop them in. I think they're supposed to go together nice. We've got something that actually works.
It's actually cute.
Look at him.
He's so cute.
I put
He's
in the
cute.
chain in. I put the chain in while the panic attack was happening.
Yeah, there was a whole panic about my water bottle falling. It was next to the electronics. But we're fine. I didn't get electrocuted. So we're good.
We're all here.
Okay. Next
I
item.
don't want to use this. I don't want to use this.
I think we've had this in another video as well.
Yes,
Is that a
but look at the
bottle
price.
holder? What is that?
The price difference.
$4.49, and in the that's on AliExpress, and the
What is it?
it's for to put flowers or something
Oh.
or pens.
It's actually nice.
We're gonna try to put these back out. Oh!
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Sorry.
so it's $4.49. So it was cheaper, $2 cheaper.
And
So I
it's the same
decided to go
thing.
for this one instead, and yeah.
Because sometimes it's the same product made in the same place. It's just because the website wants to make more money, they put it cheaper, or just in general it's cheaper.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Okay.
We have another one, and
It's the same thing.
But
Last
it's-
time we got the toffee one. Same
But this
thing.
time it's $9.39.
And it's kind of broken. You didn't open anything. It was just a bag.
Okay, so. Oh, it's already open.
What did we get?
It's a bit crooked as well.
It's the
It
same
looks like.
one as it's the same one as the last time, but
It looks like.
but green.
Oh, maybe I can replace his face. Give me
I'm
just-
sure you can.
Okay.
Okay.
Cute though.
This one was kind of
He's cute.
compared.
Although I think nothing will compare to the white one we got.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the white
wait,
one we
I
got
can
in
go get
one
it.
of our
I can go
first,
get it.
our first actual
I
YouTube
can go
video.
get it. I can go get it.
She's going to get it. Just give us 1 second.
I'm
Okay.
back. I actually named him. His name is Creamy, and
I think nothing's gonna beat the one that
nothing
we
compares.
No.
to
had.
him.
Yeah.
He's
Although this one's really cute.
well. He has the little indent in his foot. He's
So we
really
love
cool.
it. So now we're gonna unbox this. It's $3.99. I do not know what it is. I can't remember. We're just a mess.
We are a big mess.
My glue stick fell.
Oh.
What is
That's
that?
actually really cool.
Oh,
It's-
that's. I can tell
it's
that.
for a
I can
purse
tell
charm.
that's Lori's. I can tell that's Lori's. She's obsessed with cherries.
Cherries is a big thing for us right now. It's really trending.
So if you could put it. Isn't that cute on a little
Really
purse?
cute.
It's really cute.
Really
Okay.
cute.
$3.99.
$3.99.
Now.
Next thing, Maple. How much is it?
It doesn't say.
It's supposed to say.
It's $13.53. $13.53.
I know what this is. I know what this is.
Open it.
I can tell there's shoes in it.
So yeah.
It's clothing for him. We got a little shirt. Oh, there's a safety pin with a duck.
Yeah. It's.
Adorable. Oh, we got the scarf.
How do we?
We got a scarf.
Come on.
We got a scarf.
Okay.
They're dressing him.
They're all.
It's so cute.
We got little shoes,
Aww.
so nobody can tell if it's fake or not.
Is it fitting?
It is.
He looks really.
It looks so
Okay,
cute.
so we got his tiny shoes untied right now. They work like real shoes, I'm pretty sure.
Aww.
Okay.
We gotta put his little
Wait, I want to
shoes
put his
on.
hat first. Lori, hold him.
Is this the right or left for us?
So fucking cute.
Oh my
Guys,
god!
you don't understand how cute this is. I feel like a little kid.
Got the scarf.
I guess we have to do
This is
it.
the right shoe. Come here.
He needs to.
While she does that, we are going to advertise drinking water.
Yeah, and we have another thing over here. A last item from
Yeah.
AliExpress.
Okay.
Look at this, how cute that is. So she has her
Wait, I want to go on mine.
little thingy-majiggy.
Yeah.
Majiggy, she said.
You said thingy-majiggy.
No,
But it's not.
Oh,
It's
okay.
because the
The
straws.
red nose makes it.
The straws from Temu are not
I think.
thick.
Yeah, do you have your
Yeah.
Stanley?
Yeah.
Because these are Timu water bottles. Lori has her wonderful Stanley. And the straws from the real Stanleys are thicker than the Temu straws. So she's gonna try one. Because these are really, it's floating onto it. But it's really cute.
Sure. Oh, there they are.
Is that orange one?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's orange!
You should add a pink.
See, for her, it fits way better than us. Because she has a real Stanley. You want to show it? You want me to show it?
I'm struggling.
It fits way better than ours. You can see it's kind of crooked and floating. But they're still really cute. If you have a knockoff like me and Mabel.
Struggling.
It's okay. We'll just show him kind of, and then we'll do it off camera.
Off camera, yeah.
Yeah, so here he is.
Fully.
So this is the doll fully dressed. He's actually really cute. Little scarf, little shirt. You can't really see the shirt, but he has a little shirt on. With his little shoes and his hat, kind of crooked, but it's okay. It's really cute.
Bye, cuties! Like, comment, and subscribe, guys.
And if there's anything else you would like us to review, if there's something specific, just contact us, comment down below, and we're gonna try and do our best to find it and review it for you guys.